All right, this is what it looks like when you sign into my Flipgrid page. So for Flipgrid, there are topics and groups. For each of my classes, I created a separate group. All right, let's go ahead and create a group just for the sake of this class. So create a group. Let's call this 818 Tech Trading. And you have the code. I don't worry about that. Add students. I'm just going to go student email. And then next. And I really don't do anything else with this page. Skip for now. And then go to group. All right, so you have just created your first group on Flipgrid. When you click on a group, you will see your topics. Your topic, that is the discussion that you are having. So for the first topic, let's travel. And this is what I am going to do on the first day. So for your topics, I created the topic, let's travel. The prompt, if you could go anywhere, where would it be and why? And then you have responses. So after the kid creates a response, this is where it will show up. And here's my response to the discussion. I don't know about you guys, but I'm sick of being at home. I'm ready to do some traveling. If I could go anywhere right now, I think it would be... Okay, enough of that. So then after that, when the kids create a response, they can add a comment. So the comment can be recorded. I believe if you mess around with it down here, you could also do a written response as well. So to create a discussion topic, let's go back here to our tech training class. I'm just going to click on that. And then down here we have topics. Going to add a topic. And let's have a discussion. And you put your prompt here. All right, so you can set the time. I usually do about 2 minutes just to be on the safe side. And I really have not messed around with this stuff a whole lot. Okay, let's see here. Leave that the way it is, and let's just create a topic. This is what it looks like when you're creating your topic. You can put in a picture, a video, anything you want at the beginning, and then record a response. Let's go ahead and do that. So when you record, the kids also have an option of viewing it afterwards. So they can view it afterwards, take some anxiety off their plate, I guess. And you can also add, borders to it, whatever you want to. I haven't messed around with that a whole lot. So this is an example from my class from fourth quarter last year. The topic, what are you grateful for? Tell us about 3 things that you are grateful for. And this is what it looks like when the kids have recorded their topic.